Welcome back. Now over to news from sports. Dempo Sports Club's young striker Joachim Abranches won the Best Young Player at the Football Players Association India Award function at Delhi. While talking to Prudent Media, Joachim was overjoyed and praised his coach Armando Colasso. Joachim Abranches is also very confident that he can score much more goals this season.
I'm here with Joki Abranches, the FPA's Young Player of the Year India in the Indian category. Joki, it's a pleasure to have you with us. First of all, how do you feel after winning such a prestigious award?
It's like I'm very happy to have this award, and the thing is like for my while playing and all, everyone was pushing me to get this. They were like behind me, like you can do it and all. And special thanks for my coach and my Dempo players and all who support me always and all. It's a great honor to have me this award.
When you were nominated itself and then till the point where you won, what exactly were the feelings that you were going through in your mind? How were you feeling? Am I going to win? The butterflies in your stomach?
Yeah, the thing is like I didn't know that I was going to have this award and all. So finally I came to know. Then I was like very happy and all. It's like I told my family and all. It's like I won this award and all. So it's like good for me.
Your coach Armando Colasso himself won the Best Coach Award. So, is there some magic that works between Joki Abranches and Armando Colasso?
No, the thing is like he always pushed me like go, and it's like he was always supported me like from young age he bought me from some other club, Churchill Brothers, and it's like he was telling me you can do it, like you are the best, like, and I was like always behind him.
Joki, new season coming up, the Federation Cup coming up very soon, and after that the I-League. First of all, how are the preparations for the Fed Cup on, and what are your personal targets for the Federation Cup and then the I-League?
Yeah, the thing is like now Federation Cup is coming, and like we didn't know these teams ONGC and this AIFF, so it will be like a surprise package for us and all. So we'll do our best and all. So rest will be see like God and all.
How many goals are you setting, or what target are you setting this season for yourself?
It's like last year I scored so many goals. I think like I feel like I'll score more. It's like more than last year.
Are you feeling confident about that fact? Are you feeling confident this year that yes, I can score more goals for them?
Yes, I know like I can do it and all. Yeah.
Joki, about India, your India chances, your India prospects, do you see yourself wearing the India blues sometime soon after the Dempo blues?
Yeah, obviously like I'll try my best to get this in the team.
Joki, all the best for this season, upcoming Federation Cup and the I-League, and we hope you keep on winning awards and doing Goa proud.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Our reporter Samir Bhatt with sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Verna.
The Group A clash of the Federation Cup pre-qualifier saw Sporting Club the Goa finish Malabar United in a 6-0 drubbing. The Kerala-based outfit did put up a decent fight but did not match up to Sporting class in the evening. With chances flying from both teams, the score could have been much more dramatic. Where Sporting now meets Cesar to determine which of the two teams move to the quarter-final stage.
Emmanuel Akwabu opened Sporting's account early on the 4th minute. He then went on to score in the 38th minute and on the 58th minute to complete a fine hat-trick. Malabar United too tried hard but couldn't score. On the 70th minute, Keita Bobakar put in Sporting's 4th goal, and 3 minutes later substitute Agnello Colasso put in the 5th, whereas Anthony D'Souza slotted in the 6th goal to complete a clinical performance for the Flaming Orange. The match was action-packed, and the high point of this drama were these string of moves. Malabar United coach Vijayan was very supportive of his young boys, and being a new club assured improvement eventually.
New players, first match, first tournament, football academy, young players.
Sporting manager Alex Alvarez praised his boys and spoke about his upcoming challenge against Clifford Chukwuma's Cesar side.
No, I'm more or less same player in starting lineup, maybe substitute. But even Cesar will be a strong contender because they have played many games and they are experienced with this type of condition. They are conditioned to this ground.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Moria Bappa Moria. 5 days Ganesh idols were immersed on Wednesday in the state. People immersed Bappa with a promise to come back next year. We end our bulletin here. Take care and goodbye.
पहिले नाव घेता तुझे, पहिले नाव घेता तुझे, एक दंत गजानना, एक दंत गजानना, वाकडी सोंड चार हात, वाकडी सोंड चार हात, भुलैता माझ्या मना. पहिले नाव घेता तुझे, पहिले नाव घेता तुझे. आवड तुका मोदक लाडवाची, आवड तुका मोदक लाडवाची, मोठे पोट हिऱ्या मुकुट, माथ्यार दुर्वा दशणी फुला, मोठे पोट हिऱ्या मुकुट, माथ्यार दुर्वा दशणी फुला. भांगरा पाळी तुझ्या काना, भांगरा पाळी तुझ्या काना, भुलैता माझ्या मना. पहिले नाव घेता तुझे, पहिले नाव घेता तुझे, एक दंत गजानना, एक दंत गजानना, वाकडी सोंड चार हात, वाकडी सोंड चार हात.